Hello boys and girls, today is whatever day it says on here. It's 1:35 April 18 May, no, Saturday, I'm sorry, I can't read. It's well, anyways, today, that's the day. Alright, here's where I like taking pictures of these radios as I've bought them over the years. They're just, see the date code on there, it's 2018, right? So what is it, July 31, 2018, that's when I bought, or when I serviced this one here, so it's nice and clean. I want to point out how clean this one is because this one here has got a little bit of, you know, I don't know what you call this, just it's in the, maybe it can be rubbed out, but I don't want to rub it out because you rub off the silk screening on here. But anyway, I just want to show you briefly that this one here, let me just wide out, it's a lot simpler. Okay, so here's all my pictures, and just let me race along that, I've got, whoops, all kinds of stuff. So I got pictures galore that helps me take this thing apart and understand how it goes together and so on and so forth. And then here's this. Now if I turn this thing on real quick, let's see here, turn on the radio, so here, it's like,
You can't take no more.
The radio works fine, but I'm here because I wanted to have the cassette deck working. So if I play, I have it on tape, so if I put play, and you hear that, it's running, but we open the door, which opens nicely, that's great. Hit rewind, nothing's turning, okay? And if we hit stop and hit fast forward again, nothing's turning. And of course if we hit play, nothing's turning still. So that means it needs a new belt. Now that just died because it's got auto stop. Okay, well there it goes again. Anyway, so I'm sure it needs a new belt. I think this one takes 2 belts here, because I know it takes 2 belts for the tape counter. But the reason why I bought another one of these is because this one has a very good sound to it for its size. Okay, so here, let me just zoom in. And the problem is that I have my pictures for this radio as I serviced it on 2 different drives in my computer. So this is the pictures I have of this. That's a belt, that's another belt, and then that's a 5180, because then I have to come over to where? Was it here? Wait. Then I go here and open a new, let's see, open with that. Then here's more pictures of the same thing, okay? So 801. And so here's the small little pictures it takes for the what do you call that? The tape counter, right? So, and then of course I know the speakers come out because these are a bit wonky, so I'll hit them with some spray paint. Here I tried putting a bigger speaker on it, but it won't fit because, well, it does fit, but it won't fit inside the cabinet because it's too tall. So there I am, just trying that, and put those 2 belts on. And this one had, anyway, I've sold that radio, so, and just, that's the, I don't know what I'm showing there. That's a different radio. Well, okay, so too much fun. Just thought I'd run through my old pictures of this one here, and there's my mileage on my Dakota. Ha! So, and then here's what? So go back. Oh wait. So this is from 1982. This model takes a 9-volt motor. Here it takes a flat belt there. I know I've got flat belts and it's got a nice big whatchamacallit there, but this only takes 1 belt, so I'm pretty sure that belt is toast on the inside. So I've got that belt, I know I do. That's what it looks like before you take it off. There's the motor over there, and another view, the different view, and another view, and just that's it. So pretty simple to work on, but it has an excellent sound, as you've already heard briefly, and I don't want to bore you to death, but just say goodbye. Hope you enjoyed. I'm going to go fix this real fast, and then I'm going to get to work on the radios you see behind there. Alright, good day, thanks for watching, bye bye.